What is good, everybody? It is Simply the Boss, and today we're back with some more Teardown. And as I said in the last video, we are going to be playing the sandbox video. And you want to know the only reason I have my camera on today? Max reverb chips. Where's it? Go to chips. Alright, let's start this. We'll probably play through, I don't know, maybe the first 3 or 4, depending on what we get to. So, let's do this. I'm excited. Don't forget to like and subscribe, by the way. I know you just joined the video, but it'll be a good video. Alright, so... Oh, do I just have the... Oh. I guess it just gives me free run over the map. First thing we do, take out the power line. That way, they can't not subscribe. I guess they can't subscribe either, but... I see y'all in the chat. Trying to be so sneaky. If you get it under, then we just... whatever. Hold on. Alright. Oh, that was weird. Oh, I have to play through the game to get stuff, huh? Boo. That's so dumb. Oh wait, hold on. Creative mode. There we go. Yes. I just got a really funny idea. Don't judge me, chat. Ah, you know what? Screw this. Okay. I was gonna play a campaign, but I didn't realize that we had to, like, go through, like, get our own tools and stuff. Boo! We'll turn off this. Hold on. We'll turn this off so we don't have, you know, creative mode and that stuff. Time for some campaign. Actually, we could do challenges. We should probably do challenges today, huh? Yeah, we'll probably do that. I'll probably cut out all of this, including the every on my menus. Remember that, editor me. Alright. So I've changed my mind. We're gonna play some challenges. Nope, never mind. We're just gonna do campaign. I'll cut out that whole front bit. First 4 minutes. Damn. Alright, we're in. Don't want to be too famous, you know? Hold on. Shut up, You stupid Dave 8. Oh yeah, we have to go back. That's right. I'll probably start playing this. We'll do this. The login devices. Chips. Oh, I forgot my drink downstairs. That's fine. I'll grab it later. Nuh-uh, it ain't locked. I'm gonna find a way over. Jerk. We can extinguisher it. It's all made out of stuff I can't break. I'm gonna cheat my way out of this. We're gonna use the tree, and I'm just gonna climb up. Hopefully without knocking it over. That would suck. Darn it. Never mind. Wired alarm boxes. Breaking an alarm box or wire triggers the alarm. Oh, that's great. Oh, that works. So what does an alarm box look like? Like the control panel on the floor. So this room over here. Not this building, but the other one. I can't sprint either. That's going to be mildly annoying. I assume the entrance is this way somewhere. Should I break it? Dang it, I can't break it. Oh, that's so tempting. I don't know if there are any alarm boxes or anything. Oh, I gotta try it. Man, you know you can't be tempting me like stuff like this. I'm just gonna extend it straight forward and go straight through the front door here. I don't think this is the front door, but shush. Alright, we're in. We are in. Right. Oh. I assume this is one of the alarm boxes. So we just gotta go up to that third floor and grab one of the 3 things that I'm looking for. I wonder what happens if I get caught. Do I, like, have to get in trouble for... Oh, that's an alarm box. Oh, this is gonna set off the alarm. Do I have to get out? Oh, I have to get the other ones. Oh, nope, that wastes perfectly good time. Am I supposed to grab all of them? I don't know where the other 2 are. What the heck? What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? I'm assuming I just have to find the other 2, right? Or maybe I have to make it to the truck. Hold on. Crap, where's the truck? They're on the other 2. Okay. We either go for the truck or these. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. We saved our progress, so we should be good if we, you know, die or get caught by the cops. Which I assume is gonna happen. I'm trying to figure out what to do. I'm not gonna make it to the other ones. Where's the... Oh, crap. Alright, you know what? Go, 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 go. It would be really nice if we could sprint, you know? Go, 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 go. Is that a helicopter? Oh my god, that's a helicopter. Oh, I'm so cooked. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. No, no, oh my god. Open the gates. Oh, I'm cooked. Well, rest in peace, chat. Dang it. So we have to like grab the other two? So I'm wondering if we have to... I think it would be smart if we don't do this one. We'll go for the other two first, because they're closer, and then I just go for this one to run. But how do I get over the gate thing? Maybe I could do one of the weapons. Ooh. Or no, one of the vehicles, sorry. The vehicles would be smart. Because then I could just plow through the entire thing, right? And then from there I just escape. Well, that was intense. Oops. Did not mean to hit tab. At least we know it's in this building. So as soon as I grab the box, I'm gonna run to the second one, like the closer one, and I'm gonna go straight for that one and go straight for a vehicle after that. Because I'm pretty sure these vehicles can break through anything. As far as I'm aware. Actually, I have an idea. Okay, so where would the second one be? It's this building over here. Like, it's this building. So we go... I just make a trail. That's probably what this stuff is for. So I just go around, which I don't think is faster, but... It's in that building over there. I don't think I'm gonna make it to 60 seconds. So we're just gonna crash this party. Make this into a wrecking bulldozer. This makes me happy. Sorry. Alright. And then, so where would we go from here? So if we have that one, then we follow this line here. Actually, wouldn't it be smarter to go here and then here? Okay, hold on. So I'm going to bring this vehicle over to the gate. So I break that so it's already open. And then... So I'm thinking we probably go straight from the one... Hold on. I'll show you once I'm done breaking this. Screw this stupid gate. Don't hit my car. Don't hit my car. Alright, so we just park this here, because I can always grab a different vehicle, right? And then, here, hold on. If I could get out of the vehicle. Get out. Out, alright. Alright, so what I'm thinking is, here, let me show you on the map. So we go for this one first, right? Then we follow this line straight over to this one, here. And then, once we grab that one, we... go down and then go back around to this one and then just go through the gate. That's what I'm thinking we do, but I don't know if I can do that in 60 seconds. I'll spray a line to that one and then... So it's that building there. Not this building, but the building over here. I'm about to use a boulder to open this entrance too, bro. If I can't open this, I'm gonna, yep. Well, it was a good run while it lasted. It'd be quicker if I just went through this way. Alright, there we go. Should be good. Alright, yeah, there we go. And then we just go to this one. And then we follow this line back to the line over here. And then we just go that way. Alright. We're gonna see if this works. I don't know if it's going to, though. I should probably save, huh? Alright. Let's do this. Plan is in action. So it's this building. Then we would just follow the line, go to the right, I believe. Then, so we just gotta book it as far as I'm aware. Actually, wouldn't it be... Nah, whatever. Okay. Whew. Go. Yeah, we just gotta do this as fast as possible. So we follow the line here to this one, because this one's faster to get to, and then we go around to the other one. Dude, I wish we could sprint. This is so annoying that we can't. Oh, God. Because of the non-sprinting thing, I don't think we'll make it. Where is it? Oh, it's upstairs. Okay, we gotta find the line, and we just go back into it the other way, and then we just run for it and hope that we make it in time. I don't think we will. It's that building, I believe. Oh yeah, we're not making it. I'm gonna try something. God dang it. So we will have to do all three then. I ain't gonna make it, chat. GG's. You know what? Never give up. Never give up. Never back down. Never give up. Come on. Yeah, I ain't gonna make it, but it was worth a shot. At least we know what we're doing this time. I wish. Could you imagine? We make it in 0.1 seconds or something. Dang. So we know what we're doing now. So we just... Maybe I clear out that first building so I can just walk straight through it instead of going around. I feel like that'd be quicker. We gotta do some big brain calculations, chat. Alright, so the line starts there. We move this truck out of the way. We back into this vehicle, or this building, so I could care less about this building. Alright, so we just go straight forward. Alright. So I'm running. Maybe I clear this or something. Maybe I could just put a wall here. Hold on. Maybe I could just drive a hole through that way and then just straight go through. I'll probably do that. Just gonna clear as much as I can because the quicker we do this, the better score we'll get, I think. Or as far as I'm aware. So we just gotta make a hole. What, here? I gotta get in the right position for this. No. was weird. Alright, I don't know what to do about this. I don't know what we do about this. Hold on. Let me cook, chat. Nope, don't let me cook, chat. I just made this so much worse. Alright, so, we might be cooked here. Okay, hold on. No, this is the wrong building. Wait, wait. This is the wrong building. Nope, this is in the way. We gotta get this done as soon as possible. So I just go through this way. Damn it. Alright, this will have to work. And then... Yeah, I did not mean to do that, not gonna lie. And then maybe I get a vehicle and just plow through that. Because that would also save me time. Although I have no idea where I'm gonna get a vehicle. Never mind. We're gonna drive this poor red truck. Rest in peace, this truck, bro. It's like it looks like a nice... Oops. Boop. Alright. And then we just plow through this building right here. Kaboom! Because now I can just walk through that way and save me some time. And now maybe I can go and fix my mistake with the tractor because I'm an idiot and don't know what the hell I'm doing. Alright, let's just ram straight head on into this thing. Come on. Nope, I can't fix that. Oh no. Come on. Come on. Yes! Hey, let's go, bruh. Rest in peace, this vehicle, bro. I don't have no idea how this thing is still driving. Alright. Let's do this. And then quick save real quick. Actually, hold on. Let me see if I can... like, sprint or something. Nah, I ain't doing that. I can get guns? Heck yes. Character and vehicles, mission play, tools unlock 3. Input, maybe? Interact, flashlight, camera map. Have distance, throw. Yeah, there's no sprinting. There should be. That would make this level so much easier. Alright, let's do this. Lucky chip for good luck. That is insanely blurry. Rip vehicle. Ha ha ha. That's funny. Yeah, because this will make it so we can just jump down pretty much. Actually, I just got a really good idea. We're going to make as many shortcuts as we can because the faster we do this, the better. Alright. We cooking, chat. Oh crap. We got the chat. We got the chat. We think positive. Think positive. Crap. Is this the right building? Yes, it is. We just gotta hurry up. We don't have much time. Alright, we got the last one. Now we just need to get out of here. Oh crap. This is gonna cut it close. I better get something good out of this. Oh crap. Go, 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 go. Yes! 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 Round of applause, chat. Round of applause. Heck yes. Guarded. I hope it's a gun. Please be a gun. Please be a gun. Please be a gun. A blowtorch? Okay. It's not a gun, but it's close enough. I can melt metal with this. Hell yeah. I can upgrade my tools. Got it. So my teaming's immortal. Alright, let's see. No upgrades available. The number of seconds you can use it. I only have a... Oh, cool. Need coffee. They turned off the gas. I can't even make a proper copy anymore. Really need to bring in more clients. I'll reach out to Gordon and see if he has something else. I haven't heard back from the police. That thing sorted? Thanks for helping me out with that building. The police were snooping around a little bit. It seems to have cooled off now and we can finally start construction. I actually have another job for you. See, I bought this yacht recently, but it's too large for the... How you pronounce that? And the board says there's no space for new dock. Could you use your demolition skills again and remove one of the timeshare cabins? If the original documentation also appeared, then if the original documentation disappeared, then ta-da, like it was never even there. Alright, let's do this. Oh, it's an area. Western Marina. I don't know if it's Marina, or if it's Marina, or if it's something else. I don't know. Nice, we got a blowtorch. I'm excited to use this thing. We'll destroy this and then reply in the video. I hope we get more explosives. That would be nice. Whee. Which one? This one? Alright, we just start around the outside and then... Never mind. No! Dang it, I fell in the water. Alright, whatever. I think we'll save this for next time, which is tomorrow. Alright, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure to smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. I will see y'all in the next one. Scooby-Doo.